Welcome to this video on finding the shaded area of intersecting circles. Let's explore the mathematics behind this geometric challenge together.
Students, today you can go to the beach and find out how to calculate the area of the segment formed by intersecting circles. Come and report to me the strategy you found.
I wonder what could be the area of the segment created by the intersecting circles. All I know is to measure the radius.
Let us mark the measurements first.
Here we label the circle centers C1 and C2 and the intersection points P1 and P2.
Distance between C1 to C2 is 120 centimeters.
Central angle. If the sector here is 106 degrees.
Next, we connect points P1 and P2 to form a chord across the intersection.
This line segment P1, P2 helps us divide the shape for easier area calculation.
We find it to chord to be 160 centimeters.
These identified segments allow us to break down the complex shape into manageable geometric parts.
Let us look at the step-by-step solution.
Looking at this diagram, can you identify the individual geometric shapes that make up the intersection? What are the shapes do you see here?
We see circles, sectors, and triangles. We can see that the overlapping area is composed of two circular sectors.
Excellent. By breaking these down, we can solve for their areas individually. Looking at this, do you get any idea?
I know. We can find the area of the sector. Formula for area of the sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared.
We can also find the area of the triangle.
Area of the triangle is 1/2 base x height.
Area of the sector minus the area of the triangle gives the area of half the shaded portion.
This gives us the total shaded area shown on our board. Use the angle 106 degrees and pi equals 22 over 7. The formula for the area of a sector, which is theta over 360 times pi r squared. With the provided angle of 106 degrees and our radius, we can compute the value.
Applying the values to the formula, we arrive at our sector area. Look at the calculation on the board.
Next, we calculate the area of the triangle using the base and height we measured.
Substitute the values into the formula. You get the area to be 4,800 square centimeters.
Find the difference in area of the sector and area of the triangle.
4,453.97 square centimeters is the difference in area. Is this our final answer?
Nope. We need to multiply this answer by 2.
We must multiply this value by 2 to account for both symmetric sides of the intersection.
We found a master strategy.
Come and report us.
We found a master strategy.
Master strategy for finding the shaded portion.
Hello there, math friends! Want to make learning mathematics super fun and easy? Then make sure to like this video and share it, and hit that subscribe button to Animated Maths for All. You rock! You rock!
This concludes our step-by-step breakdown of this geometry problem. Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All series.